Yo guys, what's up? Today in the video I will show 5 new firecrackers. You know what I'm saying, like. Today in the video I do an episode without my friend cause he's not online, and yeah. First we're starting with the FPP, I don't know what's called, but let's see what's exploding. Throw it up and let's see. Oh, nice crack, nice little crack. Now the Super Cobra. I have high hopes on this one. Whoa. That was very crazy. Now Scream. No, another Scream. No. It's a Cobra. Sorry guys. It's a Cobra. Let's see. It's a Cobra 7. Oh. Nice little crack. Now we got a Polish. Let's go throw it up. Oh, nice. Now we got an Viper 12. It's very nice. It's one of my favorites ones. It's very goofy and really cool. And let's see. I already know the crack, but let's see. Do we had one here? Yeah. That's the last one. It's a dummy. This is a dummy. It's a dummy one. And let's see. Oh, I didn't saw that one. Okay, let's go explode this one. Oh no. What that could be. I don't know what that could be. But we look at the stream right now. It's a very nice mod. It's one of the best mods literally had. Very realistic.
Or no note again.
Oh, my PC! Today Uncle Renji needs to sleep on the streets. That was for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, peace out.